Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone, it's me Yukad. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing well. So today I got a video to share with you guys, which is about my favorite thing, chocolate. So, have you ever heard of the company called Royce? Royce is a chocolate manufacturing company. It's famous here in Japan, and I think in all over the world. I know some people they're trying to get some chocolate from Royce, and even they're in overseas because it tastes really good. If you haven't tried, you'll definitely have to try once you come to Japan. One thing you have to be careful with choosing chocolates from here is that some chocolate contains alcohol. If you have a look at their products on the catalog, they will show you if it contains alcohol or not really, with the small pictures. The one with the glass, and if you have the line on it, that means they don't contain alcohol. My family loves chocolate from this company, and we usually buy them for a Christmas and New Year's season. But this time we found some limited flavors for Halloween, and it looked really good, so we decided to buy them. My father told me that he's gonna buy us some chocolate for the end of this year again though. We ordered some different kinds of products, so they all came in a cardboard box. Here you go. So I'm gonna show you guys some products that I bought. So the first things is this one with a chocolate bar with pumpkin and a pistachio, as you could see from the picture. I'm unsure if you guys are familiar with some sweets with pumpkin flavor. Yeah, because in Australia I didn't really see some products, sweets with pumpkin. But yeah, here in Japan we love sweets with pumpkin, or even sweet potatoes as well. And especially in this season, you'll see so many products that tasted pumpkin and sweet potatoes a lot. And oh my gosh, this one, you just feel pumpkin. The taste is just pumpkin. I will show you how it looks like inside. You can see it from this color, right? It's not chocolate color anymore, but it's pumpkin color. I was literally saying that wow, that's not just pumpkin. It's Matcha kabocha in Japanese. And yeah, I love that so much. It was really good. And the second one, this one is also the chocolate bar, but it tastes different, which is matcha taste. So just for those who don't know what matcha is a Japanese green tea, and so yeah, it's tea. But we also put some matcha powder in some sweets, for example. It tastes a bit bitter, so I didn't really like when I was young. But yeah, now I love it so much. And I believe in many countries now they have some matcha sweets or matcha products. Especially for example if you go to some get some drinks or Starbucks for example, they might have some matcha flavored drinks, I guess. So let's see what inside. So this one, it's not yellow, but it's green. Yeah, for sure, because it's green tea flavor. There is some crunchy stuff inside of the chocolate bar, and so yeah, that's one of my favorite products from this company. So the third one is this wafer coated by chocolate. they have so many flavors like chocolate, matcha, strawberry, white chocolate. But this time we chose the limited one, that was chestnuts. Well, chestnut is like another flavor that we love, especially like in autumn. I personally like chestnuts with sweets, but we sometimes cook rice with chestnuts, which is normally called like kurigohan. Alright, let's see. And another things what I really like about the products from this company is that they like not for everything, but they wrap like one by one. So even like I open the box, you know, like they will keep the quality for like each of them. Can you see the layers? Alright, next one. It's like the shape is like a mountain, and it has the pistachio. They say pistachio crunch chocolate. Let me open it. This one is actually like very similar to the chocolate bar that I showed you before. It's just like it's kind of like the different shape, but it tastes quite similar. I mean the texture is like quite similar. And this one they had pistachio in it, so yeah, it tasted pistachio. I love it. Alright, so the fifth one is this chocolate. Nothing, like no ingredients inside, just like pure chocolate. In a box, we got two different flavors, which is the bitter chocolate and sweet chocolate. I also like the shape of the chocolate. For this type of chocolate, there are no chocolate contains alcohol, and there are 12 different flavors using different type of cacao. And you can also enjoy the different like sweetness. For me, sure, I love a sweet one. Alright, so this is the last one, and it's actually like their iconic products. I would say like it's a creamy chocolate. So how they make is just, you know, like they mix with the cream, and so yeah, when you like bite it, you just like really feel it's like melting in your mouth. As I showed you guys like in Ari, like in this video, some of the products of like especially for this chocolate contains alcohol. So but yeah, this time that I chose today, they don't contain alcohol. They said mild milk with a little bit of the caramel taste. And one time I bought this chocolate at the airport in Japan and I brought it back to Australia. Like to my friends, and yeah, they loved it so much. But if you have a long flight, it's not a good idea to like bring back to your country, because yeah, this chocolate should be kept in a cooler place. So, I guess that's everything for today. Thank you so much for watching. I think I talked a lot today in this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you hopefully very soon in another video. Shukran la kung arado mo taba. Ma salama.